agricultural livelihood is under significant threat. The Meghalaya government has partnered with Germany's KfW Development Bank to restore water resources in the state. The project will focus on the Umyo and Ganol rivers, essential for Shillong and Tura's water supply. Minister Marcus N. Marak announced the initiative to rejuvenate these catchment areas. This collaboration aims to ensure sustainable water availability for local communities. Germany's expertise will help tackle the depletion of vital water resources. The project will be crucial for addressing water scarcity in the region.
In collaboration with German government technology, the MDMA department is taking care of all these projects. It's just German term. So German government is funding it through ADB. So this is what the project name is. So government has already started the, chalk out the plans. There are different kinds of different components of work in it, and MBMA is taking care of this project. First component of work is to sensitize the people about the drying up of the sources, which they have already started. And the same is happening in Tura, Ganol sources. So Ganol is the main river which will cater to the water supply of Tura town. So therefore the catchment areas of Ganol River, all the catchment areas of Ganol rivers are being taken care of under this project.
The state government plans to introduce